Okay, it would really be nice if we actually had, we ran into these problems where we would just get this particular sequence like we just gotten that says 4n, but this is mathematics, and for the most part we do not. But the good part about it is we have a way of coming up with formulas that are actually create and solve these problems that go beyond the simple 4n. Well, anyway, forget the talking. Let's work the problem. So we have a table that shows the monthly cost of sending text messages. So how much would it cost to send, according to the table, 25 text messages? All right, here's what we need to do. We need to find the common difference looking at the first table. So if we are in red, if we are looking at our messages and we can see here is 1, and from here to here is 1, and from here to here is 1, and we're talking about adding 1. Okay, so we are adding 1. So we go to the other side and we see one message costs $5.25. The second message costs $5.50. So if we subtract $5.25 from $5.50, we will get 0.25. Then of course we go to the next message, and if we subtract $5.50 from $5.75, we will also get 0.25. And if we subtract $5.75 from $6, we will get 0.25. So what this is telling us is that our common difference is, well, actually, common difference between the costs. Let me just don't say is, and just say between the costs. Now I can say it's 25 cents. Okay, 0.25, 0.25. What this simply implies that the expression for the nth message is sent means 0.25 n. So this implies that the expression, so let's go put, so we can say that the expression for the nth message sent is 0.25 n. All right, now that's that common one. So we can compare each cost to the value of 25 n for each message. So that means however many messages we send, we definitely know is going up by 25 cents. Well, each cost is $5 more than 25 n. We look at the cost, so these costs is more than 25 n. Actually, it's $5 more. Okay, so it's $5 more than 25 n. So how can we write an expression for that? Well, let's see. So we can write if it's more, that means add. So we can write 5 plus 25 n, or let's scratch that. 5 more than 25 in, so we can write 0.25 n plus 5. That's what we can write. Okay, and what would that expression give us? Well, it'll give us our cost. So now we can write an equation to say C, which is cost, is equal to 0.25 n plus 5. And all we got to do is substitute any number at all for n and add it to 5, and we'll come up with our answer. Well, in the problem it says 25 text messages. How much would it cost? So here we've got our equation. So let's go with C is equal to 0.25 times 25 plus 5. Well, all you got to do is multiply 25 times 25 and then take into consideration that you must use your 2 decimal. 25 times 25 is 625, but you must point off 2 because you have a decimal. So that'll give us a C value is equal to $6.20. If I am using my mathematics right, $6.25. Now we add our $5 to it, and we can see that the cost for 25 text messages will be a whopping $11.25. Okay, so I guess that's not too bad if you're off in the text messages, but me, if I want to contact, I guess I'll just go the old-fashioned way and call. But anyway, creating expression, then going on and creating an equation using arithmetic sequence. We will see you soon.